October 30th, 2023. My name is Marcel Irnie with the YouTube channel Irnieracing and IrnieracingNews in front of the Kelowna Law Courts. Today is court with Constable Conrad Irbes, essentially Marcel Irnie versus Conrad Irbes, public interest versus Conrad Irbes, accountability and transparency of the Kelowna RCMP Constable Irbes. And this is for the second ticket that he issued on December 14th, 2022 in our first court proceedings in judicial justice. For the first ticket, AJ 24625678, and at 5 minutes before court he asked me how I was going to plea, and I said not guilty, right outside courtroom 350. And he said, well, in that case, I thought you'd say that. In that case, I'm giving you an additional ticket. You've been served with that ticket, AJ 24629795. It was accompanied by a cease and desist notice letter signed and dated by Conrad Irbes at 1325 at the 1355 here courthouse on Water Street. And that is the ticket. We are here today now 639 days later. 639 days since the offense date of January 29th, 2022. Because he did not hand, and the reason we couldn't have the two tickets combined for the same offense date, same officer, same everything, literally a duplication of the same tickets. The first one was refusal to provide driver's license, and now he's giving me a second ticket for not giving name and address. It's just a duplication to waste the court's time, to waste my time, to waste your guys' taxpayer money time, your tax money time, the worship's time, everyone's time, for his vindictive retaliation over the January 29th video footage that I put online, the video evidence that is in public record, which Irbes then, he gave me the cease and desist, and then that court date did not get to happen. And then we had court on March 29th, 2023, where Irbes then held up the courtroom for 30 minutes while he was down in the registry, and the worship Burgess, everyone in the court waited for Irbes to come back, because they said the Constable Smith, who represented the prosecution, said that he was at the registry getting evidence for this case. Well, he came back and served me a notice of claim, a small claims lawsuit for libel and slander in the courtroom. Again, intimidation of the witness defendant, me. And then, of course, that courtroom, Irbes testified, and then after he testified, the court ran out of time. It was, 4 o'clock, 4:30. The worship said, we're going to schedule a continuance, and I asked the worship to then just to dismiss this case based on, did not give me full disclosure as per my request for particulars. And he's violated my charter rights, section 2B, my right to peaceful assembly, my right to association, my right to freedom of press, my right to a fair and reasonable trial. This has gone well beyond the Jordan statute of 2006, which says you must have a fair trial in a reasonable amount of time, which is 18 months for a criminal trial, and now we are at 21 months since the offense date. And of course, the guys have to be doing leaf blowing right now. So that could be Constable Irbes' car if he's going to show up today. I really hope he shows up today. I have prepared my cross-examination with all of the evidence, from the video evidence to all the document evidence, and we're going to go through that 33 pages of cross-examination, and hopefully we'll have time today. Court is at 10:45, room 350, and let's hope he shows so we can get him on the stand and under oath, see what he says. I am Marcel Irnie, guys. I'll report after court. Thank you very much. Cheers.